Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. So first go ahead to your Snapchat app. Scroll down, then tap on My Data, as you can see on your screen, and then wait for a few seconds. So there you are on your My Data, and you just need to scroll down and then type the email address right over here and also confirm your email address. So once you've done, you now tap on Submit Request. Now, as you can see, we've received your request, and wait for a few seconds and check your email for that data. Now, when you check your inbox on your email address, you can notice this message from Team Snapchat. So you just tap on click here. And then once you log in again, you can see that your data is ready. So you can see the link right over here, the zip file. So you just need to tap on that and it will be downloaded to your file. And then go ahead to your file. Then extract all the files right over here and you will see all the deleted photos, videos, and chats on your Snapchat. So you can recover all that data to your phone. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.